What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play One Dance by Shiloh Dynasty. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the details on how you can enter to win, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song.
Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're only using 3 different chords. If you need the diagrams or the chord names, they will be in the description below, so once you get done with the video, go check that out if you need it. Your first 2 chords are pretty simple. You're just barring single frets. The first one is going to be your 5th fret you're barring. Next chord is going to be your 7th fret that you're barring, and you're just taking that index finger and you're just pressing down all of the strings on each fret. So 5th fret, 7th fret, and then your final chord is going to be 8x998. So bar 5, bar 7, 8x998. Now the only strings that you're picking throughout the song are going to be your low E, and I picked that with my thumb, your D string, and I picked that with my index finger. Your middle finger is going to pick your G string, and your ring finger is going to pick your B string. So once you have the chords down, all you really need to do is learn the picking. Now, he doesn't really have a set kind of picking pattern. He's kind of just picking through each chord. He does have a little bit of a pattern, but he's very much so just kind of freely picking as he's playing the song. I will show you a little pattern that I have that's simpler. Like I said, this is a beginner channel, so I'm going to try and make things as simple as possible, but it's still a really cool picking pattern to use. On your first chord, you're going to be picking your E, D, G, and B just in succession as a 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then slap or catch the strings to mute them and then pick them all at the same time. So that looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And you're doing that for the first 3 chords. So you're doing it there, going to your next chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then you're switching between this chord and the second chord on the way back to the first chord. And you're still doing that same picking pattern. It's just gonna happen quickly. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So slowly the entire pattern looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.